You suffered terrible injuries during the course of your surgery. Your doctor inadvertently punctured your bowel, you needed emergency surgery and had a colostomy bag, and now months later had to have it reversed. Well, guess what? A few months after that, you get called up for jury duty. And now you get brought into a room on a medical malpractice case, and now the attorneys are telling you that the injured patient is claiming that the injury she suffered was a bowel injury as a result of a careless doctor. Does that automatically disqualify you from sitting as a juror on this case? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney, and the answer is no, it doesn't automatically disqualify you. You might be better suited on another case. However, if you tell the attorneys that you can be fair and impartial based upon your own personal experience, now the attorneys will have to delve deeper to see whether or not you truly can be fair and impartial. The mere fact that you suffered a similar injury or an identical injury to the injury that the injured patient is claiming in this particular case, I will tell you right now that the defense attorney is going to be worried. Why? Because now he's going to be thinking, wait a second, if you have a similar injury, you now know and will be able to understand this patient's pain and the suffering that she endured and all the pain and all the aggravation she's endured as a result of this problem and all the activities she can no longer do or is limited from doing. The defense attorney might be thinking, you know what? I understand that this potential juror might have the same injury, but guess what? They didn't bring a lawsuit against the doctor. Maybe they'd be in favor of my client, the doctor, who's being sued in this case. On the other hand, the plaintiff's attorney, the injured victim's attorney, might turn around and think, you know what? This is a great juror for me and my case. Why? Because now they'll understand exactly what the injuries are and how limiting and disabling this is. But the dilemma is, no one really knows how you're going to vote. Nobody is giving you testimony or evidence in the jury room. They're simply trying to explore your background and see whether or not this is the right case for you to sit on. So, to go back and answer the question I raised earlier, is this the right case for you? Does it automatically disqualify you from sitting as a juror on a medical malpractice case where they are claiming the same exact injury? The answer is no, not automatically. Why am I sharing this with you? I'm sharing this with you because in all likelihood you're watching this video because you have questions about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit but have not done so yet because you still have questions that need answers, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. You know, I do this every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.